G'day guys, welcome to MotoFeels. I'm Rob Hamilton, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to import my presets into Lightroom on your desktop and on your mobile device so that you can be editing photos on the fly like an absolute pro. How's that sound? I think that sounds pretty good. Okay, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go to sellfy.com/MotoFeels.me. And you're gonna see this delicious, look at this delicious little layout here that's going on. So you're gonna hit this, you're gonna hit the MotoFeels Preset Pack Volume 1, and it shows you, look at that, bam, Apex, you've got Carbon, Full Send, Gravel Rash, High Beam, R65, Sweeper Torque, plus many more. You've got 15 all up. So what you're gonna do, you hit Add to Cart, bam, I've already done that here. There you go, check out, $30 Australian, it's cheap as chips. You'll have a good time with $30. And there you go, chuck in your email address. That's where you'll get the link to download the presets, and you'll just you'll download a zip folder and that'll get downloaded. You can either choose to your Dropbox or to your desktop. I highly recommend to your Dropbox so that you can access them in any part of the world, whether on your device or someone else's. So do that, everything's good, everything's hunky-dory. Save it to your desktop. I feel like I just downloaded everything to my desktop so I know where everything is all the time. Double click on that preset pack there. I'll do that again. There you go. Boop. And there she is. You're all ready to rock and roll. Alright, so once your Lightroom presets have been unzipped, open up Lightroom Classic. Here we go, this nice delicious photo of Dre on his Thruxton 900, just carving up that straight. So here we go, we need a preset. We don't have any of my presets in here. What we're going to do, we're going to go to Lightroom Classic up the top there. We're going to go to Preferences, bam. We're going to go to Show Lightroom Development Presets, bam also. Settings is the standard place where the presets are kept. So open that, and this is where you're going to bring in your MotoFeels Preset Pack Volume 1. So copy that, bam, or drag it, whichever you prefer, and paste that bad boy in there and close it all up. We need to restart Lightroom. Also guys, make sure you have the latest version of Lightroom just to make sure everything's working, it's all in sync, we're all in sync, we all need to be in sync. Alright, let's restart Lightroom Classic. Booyah, and we're in, and there are all your presets. So we have Apex, we have Carbon, Full Send, Gravel Rash, Hardtail, Hazard, High Beam, High Side, Idle, Low Side, R65, Redline, Softail, Sweeper, Torque. 15 bangers for your pleasure, guys. Get amongst it. Get amongst it. So presets are a great way to start your foundation of editing a photograph. For example, let's take this one here of the R65 Cam Elkins beautiful bike. Let's just say you don't know where to begin. So my High Beam preset here will brighten up your image. Let's go High Beam. Boop. There it is. But it is on the blue side. So each photograph is going to change depending on your settings, depending on the light, depending on a lot of things. So then it's too blue, so let's just warm that up a little bit until you're happy. And look at that, it's already just, that looks great. It's a little bit blown out. You can bring things down, you can move things around, but it is a great starting point to edit your photos. Let's take another one here. This one's a lot. This is the Sailor Jerry Harley Iron 883. We got Apex here. This is just absolute split toning galore. We have the teal and orange just going crazy. I love it. We got Carbon. Like all these, the presets work a different way for every single image, and you might just come up with something really, really cool and unique yourself that you might enjoy. Everything just looks, it looks nice and vintage. Bam, look at that. Done. Export that, and bam, you're on your way to getting some of those nice sexy likes on Instagram. Okay, well that sums up Lightroom. It's so easy. It's so easy. Let's get out of here. Oh, alrighty. Now let's open up Lightroom CC, the Creative Cloud version. This is how we're going to get the Lightroom presets from your desktop onto your mobile app. So you need to make sure that you are part of the Adobe, like you've signed up, you have an account so that everything's on the cloud and can transfer over nice and easily. Alright, so here we go. This is me just cruising on my bike. This was actually taken yesterday from my GoPro on Seacliff Bridge. It was a great day. You're going to hit presets. You're going to hit these three little dots at the top here. Boop. You're going to go import presets. Boop. And then, so I did that before, but let's just go on the desktop. Bam, you're gonna find that folder that you just unzipped earlier and hit that. I don't know, Command A, and I just highlight the whole lot. Import, douche. Bam, 15 presets have been imported. And there you go. They're all in there. And right now they'll be transferring through the cloud onto your phone, which is incredible. So let's jump in your phone and check these bad boys out. Okay, so here I'm on my iPhone X. I'm gonna open up Lightroom, the mobile app here. Boom, there we go. Same photo as you saw earlier. Gonna scroll across to presets, bam, and there they all are, nice and sexy in your phone. Look at that. Now you can just be on your way, taking photos, snapping away candid photos of everybody, everything, and just making them look like, you know what you're doing in Lightroom. Have fun with that, guys. Boom! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That's it's such an easy way just to chuck it in there, and it's really good on just expanding your your creative development. Especially if you're new to Lightroom, you don't really know what you're doing. That's how I started. I just bought stacks of presets and I learned how my favorite photographers would do their editing, So it just starts expanding, starts opening doors, and then you can start shifting your own, your own tailored design, and start, maybe releasing your own presets. So see how you go with it. Let me know how you go. Tag me in the presets. Use hashtag MF presets, and I'll reshare. I'll reshare your photos in my stories, and then we'll get some mad chats happening. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It means a lot to me if you do so. Even hit the thumbs up button. And just comment, tell me how I'm doing. If you have any issues, if you run into anything, just let me know, and I'll try my best to assist you in your endeavors. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, legends.